Breaking news from PiNetwork. The price of PiNetwork has slipped 6% in the past 24 hours, dropping to $1.80 after President Donald Trump signed an executive order to establish a strategic reserve using seized Bitcoin. Despite the recent dip, PI remains up 166% over the past 2 weeks, making it the best-performing top 100 token in that time frame. What makes PiNetwork particularly bullish is that it has yet to secure listings on major exchanges, with its community actively pushing for Binance to add the token. If successful, this could trigger significant rallies in the coming months, with PI's long-term price outlook remaining one of the most promising in the market. PiNetwork set for liftoff? Binance listing could skyrocket PI price. PI's price action shows signs of potential recovery after forming a falling wedge pattern, a typically bullish reversal structure. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, sits at 47, indicating neutral momentum, though it remains below the 50 threshold, reflecting some lingering selling pressure. If PI continues to respect the ascending trend line, it could build momentum for another leg higher. However, a breakdown below this support could expose the token to further declines. Meanwhile, major whale tracking accounts such as Whale Alert, Look On-Chain, and Spot On-Chain have not reported any substantial PI purchases since its mainnet launch last month. This suggests that institutional investors remain hesitant about PI, a token known for its mobile-based mining approach. However, sentiment could shift if PiNetwork secures listings on major exchanges, with its community currently campaigning for Binance to take the lead. Following the breakout, the token is now holding above a rising support line, suggesting that buyers are stepping in to defend key levels. If Binance and other platforms such as Coinbase and Kraken list PiNetwork, its price could climb to $5 in the coming weeks. Assuming macroeconomic conditions stabilize, Pi could target $10 or more by the second half of the year. New alts bring strong fundamentals and high potential. Given PiNetwork's controversial nature, some traders may prefer alternative tokens with more established fundamentals. Identifying long-term winners can be challenging, but strong pre-sale momentum often signals a project's potential for major listings and sustained growth. Pre-sale coins with strong momentum can often go on to have big listings, while they also have a better chance of performing over the longer term. And one very good example of this right now is Solaxi, which has raised a very bullish $25.2 million in its ongoing ICO. With 70,000 followers on X already, Solaxi is one of the most popular new tokens in the market, and this is because of its rock-solid fundamentals. It's launching a Layer 2 network for Solana, providing Solana users with lower transaction fees and faster transaction speeds. It will also help reduce the delays and failed transactions that can still impact Solana, while also providing instant bridging between itself and its parent chain. And as its native token, Solex should experience plenty of demand, with holders also able to stake the token for a passive income.